Hi everyone, this is for Lisa and welcome back to Homebody. So in this video, I'm going to be in my kitchen. I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen, and I'm also going to share a table setting with you. But before I do any of that, I want you to know that this video is sponsored by Hoover. So I've noticed that we had these pests when I moved some of my furniture pieces around, and lo and behold, guys, these are termites. These are termites, and I have them in pretty much all of my rooms. So of course, I have already reached out to a pest control company that's going to come out tomorrow to help us get rid of these termites. So I'm going to be getting these up, of course, using my vacuum. I have the Hoover One Power Blade. It's a cordless vacuum that was gifted to me. So let's talk about the features of my Blade Plus. First off, my favorite feature is that it has the LED lighting. The LED lighting allows me to see the dirt, but in this case, it allows me to see all the tiny little termites that's on my floor. The flexibility of the vacuum allows me for easy cleaning underneath my cabinets. The vacuum has a multi-surface brush, which allows me to go directly from my floor to carpet and vice versa. So here are the controls of the vacuum. It has the power button, it has the carpet button, and it also has the eco button where you can change the actual suction of the vacuum itself. And then if you turn it over, there's a battery. You just squeeze in the two knobs, pop it off, and it's so easy to pop back on just like that. Pop, and it's on. Another feature that I love about the vacuum is that it comes with some upholstery tools that you can use to clean in the cracks of your couches, in your car, and things like that. So I'm going to leave the link below to the vacuum just in case some of you may be interested in seeing more information on the vacuum. So let's get to some kitchen cleaning. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean my countertops first because there were some termites laying around on my countertop. And from there, I'm going to clean my stove, my microwave, my refrigerator, and then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the termites and clean the floor. Then I'm going to go ahead and mop it, and then I'm going to come back with a bonus. In this video, I'm going to share with you a fuchsia black and gold table setting. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'll come back later just to let you all know where the items came from that's on the table setting, but I'll see you all in my next video. And so now that the kitchen is all nice and tidy, No termites in the kitchen. Now I need to do the other rooms, but I'll just do those rooms next. At least the kitchen is all nice and tidy. So once hubby decides to get in the kitchen today and cook dinner, he don't have to worry about fighting with dead termites or anything like that. So yes, my husband does all the cooking and I do all the cleaning. So let me share with you this beautiful table setting that I have going on here. Love this setting. So you've seen the previous one when I had the white and gold plates here. It actually was white with the gold rim. And so basically all I did was change out the plates and I changed the napkins because the napkins were actually like an aqua-like color. And this is super, super cute. So I also placed this is a tray, a mirror tray. It actually came from At Home. I placed that in the middle of the table for my centerpiece. And I have a black ginger jar that actually came from, I think this came from Home Goods. And then these beautiful flowers here came from Micheals. They're super cute. I wish that I would have grabbed more, but I only bought 2 bushels of those. They're really, really pretty. I like the mixture of the smaller and the bigger. I think these are peonies, if I'm not mistaken. Comment below if those are not peonies. Let me know. The candle holders I recycled. Those came from Bath and Body Works. Candles from Bath and Body Works. Wine glasses came from King of Christmas. And I'm using the same utensils. But I pulled out some black pillows. These little Mongolian round pillows. I love them. They're super cute. They came from Zgallerie, and I always purchase on sale or with a coupon. I may have paid about $60 for this pillow because the normal price is, I think, about $99 or so. And these black velvet covers here actually came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below to those. So yeah. So my chairs came from Wayfair. My table came from Wayfair. The wall plaques on the wall actually came from Ross. My chandelier actually came from C2 Lighting. They gifted me that over on Instagram. So this is the end of this video. I hope that it inspired someone on doing a beautiful fuchsia and gold and black table setting for the summer. And refreshing that kitchen with a little cleaning the countertops, sweeping and mopping. That's all that I did to get my kitchen nice and spotless. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.